He looks a little grumpy.
Did you say grumpy bear? I'm not grumpy. Welcome back to Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun. It's Mommy and Mia and Ellen.
And we are going to be opening 6 Care Bears surprise balls today. They are exclusive to Hollar. We got these on Black Friday sale for $1 each. So we're going to open them and we're going to hope that we find the limited edition. If you guys want to try Hollar, I have a link in the description. All right, let's get to the first one. Oh, and they're by American Greetings. Let's see, do they have a tear strip?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do.
I would think so, but I see none. All right, so we made tear strips. Let's see what's inside this first ball. Cool. What a cute bear. Yeah, it's like bluish purple almost. Yeah, I really like this colorful flower. What is the bear's name? Where's the tag? No tag. Okay.
Let me just see. I think it says their names. This is Harmony Bear.
Aww. They're so cute. They have a little Care Bears heart on the back.
Oh. What does it say? Care Bears? Yep.
Here are the ones we could get. And it says you can check them off as you go. And is the mystery one the limited edition, I guess?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So we have, which one?
Why is it?
Harmony Bear.
Tender Heart Bear. Check
It's not. It's just like you can check the circle. And there's one ultra rare, a pierced Funshine Bear.
Funshine.
And then the limited edition, mystery. All right, Mia, you get to pick what you want next.
This one.
Okay. Let's see what Mia gets.
Where's the tear strip? There it is. Tender Heart Bear.
Oh, cool. All right, so Mia has Tender Heart Bear.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the tag. Yeah, I thought they were supposed to come with tags. For some reason, the first one didn't. So it says, these are little surprise pets. Tender Heart Bear. You can pause the video here if you want to read about Tender Heart Bear. And they are super soft. The plush on these is just so soft.
I hope we get Wish Bear.
Little tail.
A Bedtime Bear. I want Grumpy Bear because he was always my favorite. Grumpy Bear. Yeah, because he's grumpy.
All right, Owen.
I want this.
That one?
It looks... I hope it's Wish Bear. It might be Bedtime Bear. It is Bedtime Bear. He's so cute. I'm putting on the checklist. He's so cute.
Okay, so here is Bedtime Bear. It has a moon with a little star hanging. And here's the tag. Okay, I'm going to open this one. This one came packaged a little funny. You can see into the tag. And all of the balls, you can sort of see what color you're going to get.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can open this one.
On the top it seems blue, and on the bottom it seems more purple. I hope we get Level out there because I know Level knows that. We have another Harmony here.
Oh, we got a duplicate. I didn't think we would get one.
We're twins.
Yeah, we have twins.
They're so cute. Maybe we could give them to Tia and Gia.
Mia's baby lives. Maybe. Let's look at Harmony Bear's tag. All right. And they both have little heart, crooked heart noses. Okay, now we have 2 more left. All right, Mia. Last one for you. That one. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. Aww.
It's Grumpy Bear. Grumpy Bear! Yay!
Desiree won a Grumpy Bear. He looks a
Hey,
little grumpy.
did you say Grumpy Bear? I'm not grumpy.
You look grumpy.
Grumpy Bear!
Luke. This is Luke. Mia's baby alive. You like Grumpy Bear?
Yes, and I'm grumpy.
You're grumpy. He matches your eyes.
Yeah.
Let's look at Grumpy Bear real quick. All right, so here's his tag. If you want to pause and read about Grumpy Bear. Let us know in the comments if any of you guys watch Care Bears. And what your favorite Care Bear is. I guess Luke's favorite is Grumpy Bear. All right, oh, and last ball.
Let's hope it's another Grumpy Bear. Yeah, I want 2 Grumpy Bears, and I'm not going to give one to Logan. What is it?
Whoa. We got triplets. We opened 6 balls and got 3 duplicates. That's surprising. This one has another tag, but they are really adorable and really soft.
I guess that one's really common.
I guess so. All right, let's look at all the bears all together. All right, so here are all the Care Bears. We have triplets, and we have Bedtime Bear, and Tenderheart Bear, and also Grumpy Bear. All right, so which one is your favorite, Mia?
This one, and its name is. I'm going to open
Harmony Bear.
the tag.
It's Harmony Bear.
Oh yeah, Harmony Bear.
Harmony Bear. That particular Harmony Bear, not the other two?
No, I like all them.
All right. Oh, they are cute.
They're my baby triplets.
Okay, Owen, I think I might know your favorite. What's that? Grumpy Bear, just the one you asked for. Since Mia picked triplets, I will pick Tenderheart Bear. Super
I love
cute.
Bedtime Bear too.
Uh-huh.
Come on, my quadruplets, come back.
Her. So these are all girls. We have 3 girls.
Mm-hmm.
We have 5 girls. We got 5 girls.
Are you sure? This says. This is a boy.
Oh, this is a boy.
Yeah, that's a boy. And this is he.
Yeah, does it say she?
So we have 3 girls and 3 boys. Evenly. Her.
Her. Okay. So 3 boys and 3 girls. Okay. All right. If you like this video,
Please click like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can see all of our new videos. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.